Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your Zoom meeting status on mobile. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Zoom app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it to access your profile settings. Next, you'll see an option labeled Availability. Tap on this to proceed. This is where you'll be able to control how others see your current status and availability within the Zoom platform. Now you'll be presented with several status options to choose from. These include Available, Away, Busy, Out of Office, and Do Not Disturb. Each of these statuses serves a different purpose depending on your current situation. For example, if you're actively working and ready to take calls or messages, you'd select Available. If you're stepping away from your device temporarily, Away would be the appropriate choice. The Busy status lets others know you're occupied but still working, while Out of Office indicates you're not available for an extended period. Finally, Do Not Disturb is perfect when you need to focus without any interruptions or notifications. Simply tap on the status you want to change to, and that's it. Your settings will be saved immediately without any additional confirmation needed. The change takes effect right away, so anyone viewing your profile or trying to contact you will see your updated status. And there you go. You've successfully changed your Zoom meeting status to reflect your current availability. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.